Hamstring injury accounts for 34% of all muscle-related injuries in professional soccer players. Today, we'll be discussing 3 exercises to treat a hamstring injury. In the first couple of days after injury, our goal is to gently stretch and load our hamstring muscle. By doing this, it will stimulate our body to produce an appropriate amount of scar tissues and promote a better recovery. To perform this exercise, you will sit in a chair. Place your injured leg forward, making sure your knee is straight. Now we're going to lean forward and coming back. What you should feel is a sense of stretch at the back of your upper leg. It is important that we perform the stretch gently with minimal to no pain, as overstretching the muscle in this early stage may cause more damage. In the first few weeks after injury, our goal is to gently strengthen our hamstring muscle. By doing this, we can maintain our muscle strength and facilitate injury healing. This exercise can be done in 2 ways. First, we're going to lay on our tummy and bend our knee to 90 degrees, then slowly coming down. The other variation is lifting our leg upward, then slowly back down, making sure our hip is touching the ground instead of swaying side to side. Our hamstring muscle attaches from a sitting bone to our knee. Depending on the region of our hamstring injury, we may preference one variation more so than the other. For example, if our injury is near the lower hamstring, we may preference the first variation or the knee bend exercise, as this exercise is more targeted to the lower fibers of the hamstring muscle. In the later stage of rehab, our aim is to increase the muscle strength of our injured hamstring muscle to at least 90% of the uninjured side. To perform this exercise, we'll be laying on our back, bending our knees and feet flat on the ground. Now we're going to lift our hip upward, then slowly coming down. To challenge our hamstring muscle even more, we can position our feet farther away from us. If you like the content from today's video, don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching. We will see you next time.